Hi everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today I want to share my personal experience with you. I know many people are suffering from BP, blood pressure. This video is mainly for people who are in the starting stage of BP, or those who have not yet started taking English medicine. If you are already taking medication, please consult your doctor before trying this. Now let's start. Early in the morning on an empty stomach, first drink a glass of warm water. After half an hour, prepare 1 glass of juice. Take 2 slices of hashcard, Budkumbla Kai, 2 big pieces of Amla, Indian gooseberry, 5 to 6 curry leaves. Cut everything into small pieces and blend it to make juice. If you want, you can add a pinch of salt or a little pepper powder for taste. If you follow this routine for 1 month, it may help your BP move toward a normal stage. I drink it every day and it has helped me with BP as well as hair problems. Thank you for watching. If you need more details, please comment below.